Hi everyone, welcome back to David's tutorial, and in this video I will show you how to fix your Elder Scrolls 4 Oblivion Remastered crashing on your PC. So here is a quick guide of how to fix the Elder Scrolls 4 Oblivion Remastered crashing or black screen. So you want to first delete the sl.pcl.dll files. So according to user experience, the NVIDIA's DLSS. This file right here may cause compatibility problems with the game, thus leading the Oblivion Remastered not launching issue. So you want to do this one right here. And then next is update the graphics and card driver. So outdated graphics drivers can also lead to crashes in Oblivion Remastered. In addition, AMD has just released a new driver update 25.4.1 that improves compatibility with the game. So you need to download the latest driver from your GPU manufacturer's website and install it. Next is lower the performance core ratio, and this is for Intel CPUs. So some players reported that Oblivion Remastered may freeze or crash during shader. So what do you want to do is you want to download the Intel Extreme Tuning utility and install it on your computer. Then launch the software and lower the performance core ratio to 53 times or another proper value, then click apply to save this change. Next is verify the integrity or the game files. So on the Steam, go to Library section, right-click Oblivion Remastered and choose Properties. In the new window, go to the Installed File tabs and then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Lastly is to disable all graphics settings in AMD Adrenalin. So the built-in graphics enhancement function of AMD Adrenalin and the overlay function of Steam, AMD, and Discord may cause game to crash or the game screen to not display normally. So you want to disable all graphics settings in order to launch the game through AMD Adrenalin. And that is all. Thank you.